Hi there, my name is Mark, computer science student, uncommerce entrepreneur, and microsoft student ambassador. Welcome to my channel where we empower growth and envision tomorrow. If you guys watch my YouTube channel, you probably know I am a big fan of Notion. Notion is a productivity app that enables you to learn and document and also share your Notion page and collaborate with your colleagues. So today we're going to share some of the tips I personally found as a Notioner and how you can start your Notion journey with some simple tips. So this is basically the beginner version of my Notion tips video. If you want to know more about more advanced topic in Notion, you probably need to check out my next video on how to use Notion advanced version, things like that. So when it comes to Notion, you probably need to create a page. And here's a page that you will often see on Notion. Once you create that, you can start typing the things you want. Like for example, the topic, if you want to I'm preparing for my new semester, so you can take college plan. Okay, and you can just icon here, college, university. First, swore you can probably type this. I'm not sure if they got this. So the college plan, and you can type in, and also you can first you can probably search your university to see if they got that picture. So you take this one. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to write. You need to write contents on the pages, and to start any content or any function in Notion, you probably need to type /, and there's all kind of functions you can embed it where you can use. For example, I will start with heading 1, so you can type 1. So heading 1, so course manager. So you can manage your course on this page. So also, you can share your page. So in Notion, when it comes to beginner or how you're gonna use that, I recommend you to start with create a page, write some stuff, and share a page. So here's I'm going to share you how to share a page. So you can share a page with your friends that are already in Notion. So you can probably type his name or his email, and also you can share to web that anyone with that link can access to your page. And also can enable search engine indexing, so that people probably can search that through Google or any other search engine. So you can share that. And another one I want to talk about is that very interesting feature of Notion is you can embed some stuff that you will probably need on Notion. So for example, you are watching a course for example, you're watching OC from MIT, and there's a video course, and you can type embed it. You can embed a video from YouTube, for example. So you can probably, if you want, for example, I'm taking a course from MIT Deep Learning. You can embed a course like this. Okay, so this introductory course about deep learning, you can embed it up. I'm going to use that.
Hey everybody!
So you can
if you have a goal you're trying to accomplish, check out Udemy. Right now, Udemy is having a huge.
So here, there's a URL, and you can embed it. You can use Notion.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to MIT 6S.
And my suggestion is that once you are using this kind of feature, you can take note along with the video. So for example, you can type notes. And one
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to MIT 6S 191, Introduction to Deep Learning.
And
my name is Alexander Amini, and I'm so excited.
So probably you can start by taking notes through this page. And yeah, so that's basically how you can like start learning and how you can use Notion as a beginner. So if you guys know more about different topic like how to use database,
good afternoon everyone,
or how to use
and welcome to MIT
with
6S191, Introduction to Deep Learning.
Already
My name is Alexander Amini, and I'm so excited to be
already created, and you probably can check it out. And also, if you guys know more about the Notion, how Notion works, and how to use Notion, you can comment down below and subscribe to the channel to see how can I help you guys on using Notion. Okay, so that's basically the whole idea of the entire video: how to create a page, write some contents, layout, and also share some your page with others. And importantly, you got an embedded function that you can embed some contents on Notion. So feel free to check it out. You want to know more how you guys can use Notion, you can type /, and there's a lot of feature called blocks that you can use. So that's basically how I explore Notion. And see you guys next time. Thank you very much.